Today we're going to be making the B for Belle cake. It's part of the Disney alphabet series that I'm doing. The recipe for this will be down below in the description box. Now let's get started on this. Start by getting your favorite cake batter, and then I'm dyeing it yellow. Get your pan. I have this Celebrations pan, and I'm just going to be scooping out my batter into this. Set your oven to 350 degrees, and I've noticed that all these letters bake about 25 minutes, but it may vary depending on your oven. Once the cake has had plenty of time to cool, we're going to shape it out to the B. And then using different tips, I'm going to be decorating it. So here I have a Russian piping tip that looks like a rose. Just piped out some red roses, stuck it in the freezer while I decorate the B. Here I got different star tips, circle tips, and various colors of yellow. I will leave what tips I used in the description box down below. Some pearls and some luster dust. I'm starting with my white frosting and with a 4B tip. And then my first yellow will be with a 1A tip. My second yellow will be with the 2D tip. And the last darkest yellow is with a 1E. Randomly start decorating the cake with these shapes. Once you've finished all the shapes, just sprinkle some of that luster dust all around. And then put those pearls just randomly over the B. Then you can get those frozen roses out and start placing them randomly on the B as well. And here's our Belle-inspired B cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a suggestion, put it down below in the comments. If you want to see pictures of this cake and everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below as well. Hit subscribe if you want to keep up to date with all the videos I post. And until next time, stay sweet.